Hello, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel automatic payments on PayPal. First of all, click the menu button, and when you get there, click on the settings button. When you get to settings, scroll on the top part that's showing account security, data privacy, and go to payments. Once you get to payments, click on the automatic payments. From there, you can see that there are active automatic payments and also inactive automatic payments. Click on the automatic payments. Click on one of them. This video, I think I'm going to click on the freelancer, International Pty Limited. And from there, I have the option to cancel future automatic payments to freelancer. So I have to click cancel automatic payment. From there, you're good to go. Click done. And that is how you cancel automatic payments on PayPal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Have a good day.